Bonjour! Great to have you back watching a new video. And welcome to all the new subscribers from all over the world. From Australia, Sweden, America and of course La France. We also appreciate your comments on our videos. In this vlog we continue with renovations in our kitchen, bedroom and living room. All preparations for soon being able to make each room beautiful again. And be sure to watch till the end to see our secret space we have found in our house. So enjoy watching. As we continue with our kitchen renovation, we are still in the process of removing all the stuff. Wall, tiles, wallpaper and making the kitchen ready for the new cabinets. We are going to keep one part of the original kitchen. We are going to paint the cabinets white so it will match with the new kitchen part. Next to all the preparations for the kitchen, I'm also looking for a wooden floor, tiles behind the sink and which color of paint for the walls. So it's the next day, time for the bedroom.
I say, let's go.
We have removed the wallpaper, fixed the cracks and holes in the ceiling and wall, and as you can see, the beautiful lamp is stored safely somewhere else. You can still buy it. And of course we get some help from our cat Noelle. It is a coincidence that he has a French name, by the way. As the sun is shining through the window, he finds the perfect spot to inspect our work. I think he approves it. After the paint of the ceiling dried, it was time for sanding the walls to make it smooth for painting it later. The baseboards get a fresh layer of paint. On to the next task, removing wallpaper from the living room. Our priorities are to redo the important rooms first, the kitchen, bedroom and living room, and make them to our taste so we can furnish them. The living room had a lot of wallpapers, on walls, doors and even on the ceiling. The wallpaper on the ceiling could not be saved, as over time it got loose and we could not glue it back. When removing the wallpaper, it showed a wooden beam in the wall. I think we are going to sand it and keep it visible as a memento of the construction of the house. Another nice detail when we were removing the wallpaper is that it revealed a date when probably some renovations to the walls were done. It showed also a name of the maker, but we removed it for privacy. It was over 34 years ago. Time flies, right? So, I think this one was the most difficult one to clear all the wallpaper, because this one was painted over and so it was harder to get all the steam and moisture into the wallpaper. But yeah, I finished it. So another wall done, another wall to go. We are still exploring the house and we have found a secret passage. Can you guess where it is? I give you a hint. Watch our tour and search for the matching wallpaper. Maybe you can locate it. Hope you like this update of our renovations on our homestead. Still much to do, but so much fun. Thank you again for all the lovely comments. See you next time. Bonne journée et à bientôt!